Welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all? Are you fine and safe? Very good. And are you reading and writing? Yes, are you doing it? Then it's fine. Very good children. So we have learned from letter A to letter G, right? And we have recapped the sound of letters and few short sounds and long sounds. And we have learned a bunch of words, am I right? And how to write them also with the phonetic sounds, am I right? So are you reading? Yes, you have to keep reading and writing also. So are you ready for the next class? Yes. Yes children, this is our class for today. Which letter can you see here on the screen? Yes, letter H. This is uppercase H and this one is lowercase h. And what does it make? What is the sound of letter H? It is you have to release the air. Okay children? So we will learn words that starts with letter H. See here. What is this? Yes, it is helicopter. Helicopter. See this insect you see around your house, right? If there is a water, if there is water is there on the floor or anywhere stagnant, you can see this insects. Very dangerous children. So you have to keep your surroundings always dry. Okay? So what is this insect? Housefly. What is this? Housefly. And see this, what this tool is called? It is hammer. Hammer. And see here, what is this big bird? It is hawk. It is hawk. You know, it is very smart bird children. This bird has very broad wings and very big bird. And the hunting mechanism of this bird is very smart. The creatures on the earth doesn't know there is a bird watching them for hunting. And it chases very sharply and eat them. Okay, that's a very interesting character about this hawk bird. And what is this? It is heater. Heater. And there is an interesting sentence by using all the 4 words. Let us see it. The hawk and housefly took heater and hammer in the helicopter. So what the hawk and housefly took children? They have taken hammer. And where they went? And they went in helicopter. The hawk bird and housefly insect, they took the hammer and they went in helicopter. Yes, and we have few more new words that starts with letter H. Let us see them. Hen, head, horse, horns, hunt, hare. Okay, shall I repeat? Hen, head, horse, horns, hunt, hare. Okay children, so you also keep reading in the same way. And now it's time to writing. 4 rule book. I will also ready with my 4 rule book. Yes children, I think you're ready with your book and pen. And it is now became easy also for you all, right? How to write the words with the sounds. That's nice. Okay, the first word which we are going to learn is hammer. Okay, it is hammer. So this word can be divided into how many syllables, children? Yes, you are right. You can divide into 2 syllables. The first syllable is ham and the second syllable is mer. Okay, so let us take the first syllable ham. So what all sounds included, children? Right? So we will write the first sound, which is so you should write H. And the second sound is A. So which letter sounds A? Yes, it is A. Write A here. And the third sound is M. Which letter sounds M? It is M. So we completed the first syllable, that is ham. And the second syllable is mer. Okay, so there also we have 3 sounds, children. The first sound is M, the second sound is A, and the third sound is R. Now tell me, will be pronounced by M. And the second sound is A. So which letter sounds A? Yes, it is E. And the last sound is R. Yes, we have written so many times, right? It is R. So now let's read with me. Hammer. Hammer. Now we are going to learn a short and sweet word, which is hen. Okay, so this is short already, so need not to divide into any syllable, but you should identify the sounds. So what all sounds included in hen word? A and N, right? So the first sound is write H. And the second sound is A. So write E. And the last sound is N. So N will be said by N letter. N sound will be given by N letter. So write N. Yes, children. So we are done with 2 words. And the third word is helicopter. Okay, what is the third word, children? Helicopter. This is little lengthy, right? But always there is a possibility, right? Easy tip we have to divide into syllables. So how many syllables we can make out of helicopter word? Can you think? Yes, we can divide into 4 syllables. The first one is hey. The second one is lee. Third one is cop. And the fourth one is ter. Okay? Hey, lee, cop, ter. Fine? So we will write the first syllable hey. So what all sounds included? H and A. So we should write which letter sounds H? H. Write H. And the second sound is A. So which letter sounds A? Yes, it is E. Write E. So we are done with the first syllable and the second syllable is lee, right? So there are 2 sounds, children. What is the first sound? Yes, it is L. And the second sound is E, right? Lee, right? So which letter sounds L? Yes, it is L. And which letter sounds E? It is I. So we are done with 2 syllables. Hey, lee. Then cop. Right? So how many sounds are included in cop? There are 3 sounds. The first sound is k. Second sound is a. And the third sound is p. Now we will go to third syllable, children, which is cop. So what all sounds included? The first sound is k, second sound is a, and the third sound is p, right? So which letter sounds k? Yes, you have to write C. And the second sound is A. Which letter sounds A? It is always O, right? So write O there. And the last sound in third syllable is P. Which letter sounds P, children? Yes, it is P. Yes, now we are done with the third syllable also. Helicop. And the fourth syllable is stir, right? So, how many sounds are included in the syllable? Which is T, A and R, right? So, you have to tell me which letter sounds T. Yes, it is T, right? T. And the second sound is A. Which letter sounds A, children? Yes, it is E. And the last sound is R, right? So we should write R. So we are done with the total word. Now read with me. Helicopter. Right, children? So keep reading. And the fourth word is very short, which is hunt. Okay, what is the word, children? It is hunt. And now you have to tell me what all sounds are there in this word. Okay, right. So we have sound, a sound, n sound and t sound. So you are already aware what all the letters we should write. Yes, children? So we will write. So the first sound is so we should write H. And for A, we should write U. And the third sound is N. So which letter we should write? Yes, it is always N. And the last sound is T. We should write T there. So hope you also completed all the 4 words, children. So let's read together. Hammer, hammer. Hen, hen. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. Hunt, hunt. Yes, children, we are done with the words, how to write with the phonetic sounds. But what's your job? Yes, you should always remember to read and write every day. Okay? If you practice well, you can quickly read and write. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next class.